I needed this shift. I needed this because I be in my head, man, imposter syndrome.
Hey, hey, I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really still on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to say hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love them good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top when that shit been a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the top.
Hello. We made it to Miami. Y'all, I'm tired as hell. And I'm proud of me because I be so paranoid when I be traveling, y'all. That's why I told y'all every time I travel, normally my family is with me. And I don't be liking the film. They are in Orlando, finishing celebrating Sissy's birthday. My babies, and I am in Miami for the DWA event. I'm so excited, y'all. It's like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Past my bedtime, girl. Flight didn't get here until like, I think I got here like at 11. Then, child, we ain't gonna talk about that. But the view is gorgeous. I'll probably have to show it to y'all tomorrow. But it's gorgeous. We on the 34th floor.
Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a crack.
Couple figures still a star like the left. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitch, you know a big cripple. I got the hook up and really no limit. Dead brothers and you nigga DNA. $6 syndicated with the cake. Little nigga just about to stay case. Very non motherfucker chase, man, kind of bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. So I gotta read about it. The nigga looking like I got $1,000. Got the strap jumping like time when I read down, then I'm out. Man, I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in the really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like a artist. You can DM my account. Drop a DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
Maybach music.
Take your time with
Hey y'all, it's Saturday morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And when I say I slept in, normally I am up early, but girl, when I tell you I was tired, my body was hurting. Slept really good. The event for DWA is at 12 o'clock, so we gotta get ready for that. I am just about to get up and journal for a little bit on my balcony, read my Bible a little bit, and then we'll probably start getting ready like around 10-ish. It's like 8 now, so I need to charge my phone, charge my camera, make sure everything is good. Probably dump the footage that I have. Actually, I don't have no footage on my camera. What the hell am I talking about? I've been vlogging on my phone this whole damn time. So, do that, and then we're going to the DWA event. I'm so excited. And this is just, I don't know, seeing this view. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all the view. You know, I just love seeing views like this because it just, you know, sometimes you be in your own little world. You just forget, like, the world is beautiful. It's so important to really just get out and see it because we don't know what the hell it's gonna be. So it really, like, if this ain't the time, this is the time, baby, to risk it. Do what you want to do. Live your life because, baby, we only get one life. And like I said, the way the world is going, child, you better live your life. But y'all, look at my view. It's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So we're gonna go out here and journal for a little bit.
I said, baby, I'm a dog. You said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog.
me turn down my Yolanda. It is really cute on my thing. And y'all know I gotta wear pink because that's who I am. It's my brand. It's me. When you see C, you see pink. When you see me, you see pink. When you see pink, you see me. I'm just playing out. So I got this outfit. I think this is really, really cute. I want to wear this. I definitely overpacked, but granted, we was in Orlando, so y'all already know how that worked. Babe keep telling me I need to wear black. But I mean, I think it's okay if we wear a little color. It's still dressy. The heels and stuff. Let me show y'all my heels. Child, these are my heels. And they really, really are fire, right? And then, yeah. So it's gonna be real cute. It's really, really, really cute on. And then my hair and stuff, like I zhuzh it up. Of course, I need to earn it. But it is hot as hell in Miami. I got some other options as well. But that's my favorite. I'm gonna wear that. I ain't even about to overthink it. I'm gonna wear it. If I'm bright as hell, baby, we just gonna be bright as hell. I'm sorry. I'm me. I'm me first. So I like that outfit. And then I got a couple other outfits. We're gonna try to take some pictures. It's like 9:30 now. I went ahead and ordered my Uber Black. The event is like 20 minutes away. This is the thing. So, do you go on time? It's me not used to shit, okay? Do you go on time? Or do you go and be fashionably a little bit late? So, I was like, I'm pulling up at 12:05. I don't know, baby. Pray for my feet. I don't know what I did to my foot. But, child, when I say, we about to fake the funk, we about to fake the funk. So, I don't know. I like that outfit. I'm gonna wear it. It's gonna be cute. I ain't even gonna get in my head. Baby, the black is too goddamn hot to be wearing black. It's just too damn hot. Now, later on tonight, we may go out, things like that. And then tomorrow, I need to film videos back to back to back to back to back. That's what I'm gonna try to do, is just film. Do some talking videos, and yeah. So yeah, we in Miami turning up and I don't know how the song go, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. So we about to start getting ready, cause she's gonna be on time. Okay, she's gonna be. Well, we gotta be downstairs anyway. By if my Uber comes at 11:45, I need to be down there by like I'm gonna leave here like at 11:36. We're gonna be on time. Bosses are on time. Well, they only own goddamn time, but they on time, okay? Because time is money. I'm not trading my time for money, but time is money. Just know that. You know why I'm acting like this? Is because no shade, but I am my kids. I don't know how to feel. My husband was like, "Don't call us." I mean, of course, call us, but you know, he was like, "Seriously, enjoy your time. Enjoy. You're always in mom mode. You're always in mom mode. Enjoy this. Call me when you get done with it." I'm like, babe, I want to talk to you. Everything I do, I want to talk to you. I want to let you know that I'm doing it. I'm so attached to my family. I love them so much, but I needed this. And yeah, we're going to go and have us a good time. Y'all, the food last night, I didn't even get to tell y'all. It was all right. It wasn't nothing crazy, but it was okay. Can we get it together?
Excellent day service in Miami. Y'all see Yuri.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart.
Y'all look, hold on, wait. Cause y'all look who I'm with. Y'all know I'm always talking about.
Oh my God.
Who am I with?
It's Amber! And I'm so big compared to
Girl, cause it's me all the way down here. And I got the nerve to have on these hips. But y'all could have wore flats.
I feel like a baby.
Oh my goodness, y'all, Amber.
World.
I'm so excited.
Y'all, look how I done found.
I met a new friend. It's a deal. And she said that she's been in DWA since last year.
Yes.
But she's been taking in all the information, trying to learn it so she can start this $1 million business. So you just won.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Yes. And are you excited to be here?
I am thrilled to be here, and I'm so glad I met you.
I know. I'm glad and we both ran, y'all. Like she's blue, I'm pink. So you can see us.
Absolutely.
Okay. Hey y'all, it's the beautiful queens that I'm meeting in DWA. This is Corliss. Did I say it right? Oh, I said it right, girl. Y'all, and what's your social so I can tell everybody to follow you?
Lyrical Graphics, LYRIC.
Period. I'm putting it on the screen. Yes. And Miss Corliss, I love your name though. I really do. It's very unique. Very, very unique. They gonna give me some love, y'all. Trying to be in here embarrassing the black people.
First of all, I want to say thank you guys, every single one of you. I know there's people here who flew from Ecuador. There's people here who flew from New York, California, literally from all over the world. And to think that this is where we are today with DWA is,
Y'all, these images, these photos truly does not give the DWA event justice. A motherfucking time was had for sure. I'm so grateful to be a part of this community. The way I just walked in this hotel, the way I just walked in here, I said, baby, when I was at DWA, I was giving them what I needed to give them. Baby, where my feet feel right now. Whew. But I look good though. It was such a beautiful event. I loved it. I loved it. Look at it. The Nutty Professor. Cause look at my foot. Baby. Bye DWA, y'all. Bye. Look at my feet. What happened? Look at my feet. Baby, I need to be in flats. Amber just invited me to dinner. I'm like, I want to go, but I need to be in flats. I need to be in flats, point blank period. The hell? Baby, them shoes. But I look good though. Man, this is why Amber the fucking truth, y'all. This is why, bro, her or her hubby, but it was her too. These fucking pictures is fire. And I'm over here saying, this is what I mean. I be second guessing myself, doing too goddamn much in my head. Baby, like, when I tell y'all, I'm not even trying to be funny. I'm not even trying to, like, sound, like, conceited or nothing. But let me say I'm conceited real quick. The way that, like, I be low. The way, y'all, I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, I gotta pop my shit just for a second. The way that the motherfuckers in there that have made, like, Natty, Richard, Rachel, and how invested they were in my conversation, like, it was insane, like to the point where so many people was like, God damn, you was talking to Richard for a minute. And I'm like, y'all, this is what I mean. I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, I needed this shift. I needed this because I be in my head, man, imposter syndrome. Like, I'm thinking about it and I'm getting emotional just because it's motherfuckers that's where I want to be, that I respect, that be literally like, man, like I can't even like articulate what I'm trying to say, y'all. But just like, I ain't saying that like people are dismissive and stuff like that, but like sometimes when you know you big like that, people are, right? In a way, like Rachel wanted to talk to me, Richard wanted to talk to me, and was like, and I'm like, okay, I don't want to, be taking up too much of your time. And they're like, no, like it just was confirmation for me and what I needed, because again, I be in my head so much, and like I said, I was every time I think about it, I'm like, I started off messy. I started off all over the place. I was on Snip Feed, then I was on Beacons, and I had Stand Store. And I'm like, sometimes I get in my head because I'm like, man, I made over 100, K or whatever like that. Yeah, I started off faceless, and my channel was Big Mama. And then, I pivoted over and did my own thing. So I try not to show my receipts because I don't want nobody thinking I'm scamming. Like, why I say this? Because people said that to me. I I know the stuff that I tell people and how I teach people and to see the results that they've gotten. I don't know why I just be in my head, but like I said, I be so comfortable. And this is if y'all don't take nothing from me, man. This world, we don't know what the fuck is about to be. Like, this motherfucker going to shit. If you don't step out of your comfort zone and just do it, fuck what. I'm telling you, I had to cut everybody off. And every time I think about it, I just couldn't understand. I'm like, God, like, why? Like, I'm a dope ass motherfucker. Like, I'm dope. I'm a funny person. I'm all about having a good time. I always want to help people. Always, 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 always. But it don't never work out. And it was because God always had been telling me, like, you pour so much into others and you never pour into yourself. You could be so much further if you would stop being so invested in people's problems and this and that. But be invested in people's problems, but make some money from it, you know? And like I said, today was just a confirmation of just like people. I just be like, little old me, I'm nobody. But to see so many people recognize me, to see so many people, like, you know, respect me and follow. And like I said, to even have those conversations. Like I was, you know what I mean? And everybody says the same thing about me. Like, man, you're so real. You're so relatable. You know, like and I'm just, that is who I want to be. And it's like, that's confirmation of I'm doing what I need to do. I just need to 10X it. I need to double down it. And that's what the hell I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm about to go meet them for dinner. But I had a really good time. I had a really, really good time. So yeah, my feet is killing me. Y'all, but the pictures, when I tell you the pictures was crazy, they crazy. Let me see. Let me show y'all these pictures that Ember and them did. When I say these motherfuckers is hard, like, I'm going to have to show y'all later, but let me hurry.